Yes, you're good. You're good. These were two of the most missed from our quiz. So this is something that we really need to review and make sure we've got it down clearly before our re-quiz on Thursday. Okay? So what I want to do first is to go over a couple of different types of transformations.
What if we do worse in the quiz Thursday?
We'll talk about it later. I want to take my parent function and I want to shift it up or down. How do I get my parent function? How do I move that vertex either up or down? Okay, good. Do I need parentheses or
no parentheses.
Very good. No parentheses. So to get it to go up, let me have Jaden. Make it go up 4 for me.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. Jalen Harris, can you give me one that goes down 5?
Down, minus.
Good. I'm going to say x squared minus 5. Good. Now I want to now do left and right.
Parentheses.
Okay, good. So Jaden, I need parentheses. So let me have Janae. Can you give me an example of a quadratic that is shifted to the right 5? Good.
X squared
Okay.
to the right, you said?
Yep.
Minus 5.
Okay.
Close enough.
I'm almost with you. I like that you use parentheses. I like that you did minus 5. The only tiny nitpicky mistake, the squared when we have the parentheses when we're doing left and right doesn't go with the x. It should go where?
Outside of that.
Very good. Outside of parentheses. Yep. And that just might be just you were talking through it and you had a picture in your head but you said something different. Okay. How do I get a reflection? How do I reflect over the x-axis? Good, where? How about, let me give you an example. So let me take my parent function x squared. Good. In front of the x squared. Let's go back to think about factoring for a second. We've got ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's think in terms of that. To get a reflection, is it A, B, or C that should be negative? Yeah, I see a lot of phones. Put your phones away. See a lot of phones. Put phones away. Dear, go ahead. Good. So if A is negative, that's going to be a reflection over the x-axis. Good. What's the only one we didn't cover yet? On here? Shrink and stretch. So let me kind of split this down the side.
You said if A have negative, it reflects over the x-axis?
Yep. If A is negative, reflects over the x-axis. Okay, I'm going to start with my parent function for both. We've already seen up, down, left, right, reflect over x. Where does the shrink come into play? We have KJ. How do I get a shrink? You can give me either. How do I get a shrink or a stretch? Okay, so x squared. Got my parent function. Okay. So that's part of the parent. That's the original. That would look like a parabola like this. Okay, so she's helping me out. If I put a coefficient in front here, like a number in front of the variable, that's going to be my shrink or stretch. So since she helped you out, I'm going to ask you another question instead. How do I tell the difference between whether it's going to be a shrink or a stretch? Let me give you one. Let's look at that, 3x squared. Is that coefficient of 3, is that going to make my graph shrink? Or is that going to make my graph stretch? How do you hold on, like KJ. Y'all, phones away. Phones away.
It's positive.
Say again.
It's positive.
Okay. We're at, what about, did you say shrink or stretch? I didn't hear you. Okay, it is stretch. Because it's positive. Adrian, can you help him out? Okay. He says stretch. He says because it's positive. I agree that it's a stretch. I don't know if I agree with his reason. You have the same reason?
If
Okay.
it's negative, then that means it's straight down.
Well, okay, so the negative, remember, was our reflection. So we're done with that. Go ahead, Janae. Go ahead.
Yes, okay, so it's just because it's an L number, and then it's straight to the fraction.
Okay, you're closer. Kind of.
Okay, so it's,
Dear, go ahead.
the stretch is if it's bigger than 1, and then the shrink is if it's smaller than 1.
Very good.
So negative.
This might, hey, I want y'all to take, before you pack up, can I see this 1 second?
So I have a question.
Savante is doing something really nice. He's adding this section to that little spot that's blank down here. This might be a good thing to jot down in that little notes section. It doesn't say notes, but this might be a good thing to jot down there.
Singer, you got a question.
So is negative 4 smaller than what?
Do we have Alex this week?
Hold on that thought.
That's a good question. Say it louder.
Is negative 4 smaller than 1?
Okay, so I know where you're going with that, Adrian, but what we're really interested in, we're going to treat the 4 and the negative as 2 different pieces. The negative gives me the reflection.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to look at the 4 separately from the negative sign. 4 is bigger than 1, so that would be a vertical stretch.
Oh,
If you wanted to be really specific about it, we should say the absolute value of A is bigger than 1.